Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from testbook.com.
Hello guys, I'm Dhiraj and I welcome you all to Testbook.com, and I'm here to provide the best I have. So guys, once again I'm in front of you with another session on what expected question for UPPSC AE for mechanical, right? So we are going to start the session, but before that, my dear, let me check that how many people are live. So yes, people have already joined. So few people have already joined. So guys, I want to tell you that those who have already joined, they have to do it, like, share and subscribe the channel. And my dear, you have to share the link of this video in your social media group so that the maximum people who will looking for UPPSC or they are preparing for UPPSC, they will get benefited of this session, right? Okay, so right now it's 10:58, so we are going to start the session at 11:02. 11:02. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, my dear. Okay, so here we are going to start. So 10:59 is there, right? So guys, join as soon as possible. Okay, so yes, I can see the few people have already joined. So those who have already joined, so very good morning to all of you. Very good morning, Rahul, Abhik, very good morning. So I want to tell you, if you have any kind of a query from regarding session, yesterday's session, you can ask me, or if you have any kind of a query regarding anything, you can ask. Okay, so few people have already joined. So it's 10:59. We are definitely आज फिर से मचाएंगे, don't worry, Abhit. So guys, I want to tell you that it's 10:59. We are going to start the session at 11:03. Okay. So most probably today we are going to discuss around 50 questions. Around 50 questions. Today's session is all about of 50 questions only. Okay. So yes, it's 11. It's 11 now. We'll wait and we are going to start the session within 2 minutes. Okay, so few people have already joined. Very good. And I hope all of you had prepared very well, thoroughly, each and everything is clear. Yes, Abhit, there is no issue on that as well, because we have to solve. We have mock, my dear. We have 10 mocks. Why you worried? Hello, Ankit Pandey, most welcome. We have mock and we are going to solve mock around how many mocks, my dear? Around 10 mocks. Good morning, all of you. Very good morning. So yes, people are already joining. So guys, I want to tell you, those who are new, what they have to do. They have to hit like, share and subscribe the channel. And one more thing that I want to tell you, that there is a deal of the year is going on. You are getting 14-month Testbook Pass just for rupees 299. In that you are getting 100 plus courses and too many tests, including all the examinations. Okay, so you can explore the content of it in the website as well as in the app. And one more thing, that is what, there is a Mission Gate 2021 ME live coaching having a big price drop in that, and you are getting just for rupees 4,000 approx. So guys, yeah, you can explore the preview classes or demo classes of Mission Gate in the website as well as in the app. And in another course, that is what, my dear, SSC JE Mechanical we have already launched, which is running from 15th of November. So guys, you can join this batch if you are looking for SSC JE Mechanical, right? And the paper of SSC JE Mechanical कब है? It is on March में है 2021 में. So आप इसकी preparation बहुत ज़्यादा required है. So अगर आप करना चाहते हैं, so you can explore the demo classes of SSC JE Mechanical live coaching in the website as well as in the app. Okay. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Afzal Khan, very good morning. Very good morning. Hello, hello, hello. ठीक है. So करें शुरू. Can we go? Can we go? Here we go, my dear. Here we go. The first question on your screen of today's session. Here it is. The change in momentum of water due to sudden closing of wall. What my dear? Sudden closing of wall. दरवाजा लगा दो, मुंह टूट जाए. क्या बताया था? That is what? Hammering. That is what my dear? Hammering. And it should be what? Number 3. It should be what? Number 3. Let me check your answer. Yes. Very good. Yes, tell me the answer for it. Tell me the answer for it. Question number 1. Question number 1. Tell me the answer for it. 3. Very good. Very good, Ankit. Very good, Shilpa Sharma. Chahat 3. Anushka. Very good, dear. Everybody is correct. Krishnamurthy. Very good. Water hammering. Water hammering. Very good. Here we go for next. A water heating heat pump abstracting 10 kilowatt of heat from atmosphere. Okay. Required 2 kilowatt power input. The COP of heat pump, my dear. COP of heat pump क्या होगा? That is, it has taken 10 kilowatt from atmosphere. ज्यादा अच्छे समझ में आ जाएगा. 10 kilowatt यहाँ से लिया, 2 kilowatt यहाँ से गया, तो how much the heat has been delivered to the space? That is 12, right? How much work you have supplied? That is 2. That is what, my dear? 6. 6, not 6. Very good. Very good. It should be 6. It's not 5. It's not 5. That's why I said the people done the mistake. It's 6 only. Very good. Here we go for next. चलें? आ गया, सबका आंसर आ गया. Okay. A reversible heat engine operates between 300 Kelvin and 600 Kelvin. If the heat output is 200 kilojoule, the heat input is, my dear. Heat input will be, my dear, what should be the reversible heat engine efficiency will be? That will be 1 minus 300 by 600. It should be what? 1 by 2. Right now. So this 1 by 2 will be what, my dear? 1 minus 1 by 2 will be what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to what, my dear? W upon Q input. Q input you have to identify, right? So it should be what? It should be Q input will be what, my dear? 200 into 2. That is what? 400. Yes or no, Bacha? Yes or no? I hope you got it. Let me check your answers. Very good. 400. Everybody answer 400. Very good. Very good. Guys, do hit like, share and subscribe. जितने लोग दे रहे हैं सबके सब like करेंगे and channel को subscribe करेंगे. Fourth one. Listen to me. Fourth one. अब इस क्वेश्चन में आधे ज्यादा दंजल लुढ़क जाएगी. They will not try to understand the meaning of closely related. Those who know the closely related word, they can get through it. My dear, what is the answer? Let me check your answer. Yes. Fourth. Question number 4. That is entropy. What is question? Entropy of system depends on. Entropy of system depends on, my dear. Yes. Please tell me the answer for it. 3. That's wrong. 3. That's wrong. 3 is wrong. 3 वाले सब wrong है. 3 वाले सब wrong है. 3 वाले सब wrong है. Very good. It should be heat. किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? एंट्रोपी ऑफ सिस्टम डिपेंड ऑन हीट. ओके, हीट होएगा, हीट, बिकॉज हीट इज व्हाट? लो ग्रेड ऑफ एनर्जी. इट इज अ लो ग्रेड ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Here we go for next. The ideal gas refrigeration cycle is same as that of ideal gas refrigeration cycle. Remember, ideal gas बोला है. That is what? That is what? Air refrigeration cycle. My dear, कौन सा होगा इसमें से? It should be what? It should be none other than RBC. It is what? RBC, not red blood cell. ये red blood cell नहीं है, ये है reverse Breton. Okay? Very good. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1, 2, 3, 4? It is reverse Breton cycle. Very good. Here we go for next. The tendency of petrol to detonate in terms of octane number is determined by comparison of fuel with which one of the following? Isooctane, mixture of normal heptane and isooctane. Yes, my dear, it is none other than this one. राइट ना. आइसोऑक्टेन का ऑक्टेन नंबर क्या होता है 100, एन हेप्टेन का कितना होता है 0. ओके, वेरी गुड. नंबर 2 इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6. Guys, be fast. It should be number 2. Very good. Very good. Number 2 is correct. Pelton wheel is, my dear, it is what? It is impulse turbine. कौन सा टर्बाइन है? impulse turbine. And my dear, it is used for head क्या है इसका? high head है. And discharge क्या होता है इसका? low होता है. क्या होता है? डिस्चार्ज लो होता है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज टेंजेंशियल टर्बाइन, टेंजेंशियल फ्लो टर्बाइन, टेंजेंशियल फ्लो टर्बाइन भी बोला जाता है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. 7 7 7 7 7. व्हाट अबाउट 7? impulse. Very good, very good everybody, very good. Here we go for next. Which of the following statement are correct? इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. Practically all common refrigerants have approximately the same COP and power requirement. Right, it is right. Ammonia mixes freely with lubricating oil. No, it's incorrect. Dielectric strength of refrigerants is an important property in hermetically sealed compressor units. Yes, of course it is. We have already learned, right? It is 3 is correct. Leakage of ammonia can be detected by halide torch method. No, halide torch is used for what, my dear? Halide torch किसके लिए होता है? Halocarbons के लिए. It is used for halocarbons, right? Ammonia के लिए कौन सा यूज होता है बच्चा? Sulfur stick method. Which one? Sulfur stick. So my dear, what it should be? And white fumes form होते हैं किसके? Ammonium sulfide के. If you remember, 1 and 3 are correct. So it should be 1 and 3. Number 2. Very good. Very good. Wait. Ninth question. I'm talking about ninth. Ninth ka 2. Very good. 1 3. Freons. Yes. Halocarbon. That is freon. Very good. Freons. Very good. Sulfur stick method. For what? Sulfur stick method किसके लिए होता है? For ammonia. And my dear, when I talk about like for SO2, SO2 के लिए क्या यूज होता है? SO2 के लिए which method is used, my dear? Volumetric efficiency is not a function of, remember, not a function. Not बोला है, not. It's very important. Not a function. किसका function नहीं है? That means volumetric efficiency is not depend on. किस पे depend नहीं करती वो बताना है. Very good, very good. Can you tell me? Yes. Can you tell me volumetric efficiency is not a function of, means volumetric does not depend on which of the following? It depends wall area, because VS में क्या आता है? Speed आती है. VS के फॉर्मूले में speed आती है ना, so definitely it depend on the speed, no issue. Wall area, definitely the wall is bigger, definitely the more amount of volume of air going to enter inside the cylinder, right now. So it also depend on the wall area, and it also depend on the wall timing. If wall timing is not perfect, my dear, definitely the amount of air which is going to enter inside the cylinder, that will be quite less, right? So it also depend on this. So my dear, it does not depend on ignition lag. Number 1. Yes or no? Very good. Ignition lag. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. What is the effect of superheating a vapor before compression? Increase in refrigeration effect per unit mass of refrigerant. I'll show you the diagram. Before बोल रहा है, before compression, we have diagram like this, right? So we got this like this one. So if you do the superheating like this, my dear, your refrigeration effect earlier, it is what, my dear? It is 4. It is what? H1. तो अब यहाँ से हो जाएगा H1 dash. So your RE will come what, my dear? H1 dash minus H4. So your refrigeration effect will be what, my dear? Increase. Right? Increase in refrigerant per unit mass of refrigerant. Yes or no? Decrease the work. Increase in chances of work. It should be what? Number 1. Number 1. Very good. Very good. Krishna, Chahat, everybody. Anshka, Shilpa, Rahul. Everybody is good. Abhit. Abhit, what is your answer? Abhit, I'm not getting your answer. It should be 1. Okay? It should be 1. Very good. Here we go for next. The maximum theoretical work obtainable when a system interacts to equilibrium with reference environment is called, my dear, listen to me. The maximum theoretical work obtainable when a system interacts with equilibrium with a reference environment is called, my dear. It is talking about available energy, and that is none other than, I already told you, energy, when energy which you supply to the engine, that is heat, it have two parts. One is what? Exergy, that is what? Which is nothing but available energy. And it have another part, that is what, my dear? Energy, which is nothing but unavailable part of energy. Right? So this exergy is what, my dear? Available energy. So option will be number 3. Very good. Number 3. Very good. WS, most welcome in the session. Okay. Here we go for next. The fictitious pressure that if it acted on a piston during entire power stroke, the would produce the same amount of network, okay, network as that produced during the actual cycle is called, my dear. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हाँ जी बच्चा. It is none other than what, my dear? Mean effective pressure. Yes or no? Guys, please tell me. Yes. Please tell me answer. Do it fast. Very good. Mean effective pressure. Very good. Everybody. Mean effective pressure. क्या होता है W का फॉर्मूला? और ब्रेक पावर, my dear, PMEP. Right now, mean effective pressure multiplied by swept volume, VS. Right? Here we go for next. Orsat apparatus when percentage of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and carbon monoxide, my dear, are known, then the remaining gas is assumed to be. So first of all, you should know कि Orsat apparatus है, it is used to determine what, my dear? CO2, CO and O2, right? And इसमें होती कितनी है? That is 4. जो exhaust में होती है, that is of 4 types of gases. So whatever the gas is there, जो part बचेगा, that will be what, my dear? Nitrogen. That will be what? Nitrogen. So CO2 has been absorbed by, कभी-कभी पूछ लेता है, it is absorbed by potassium hydroxide. What, my dear? Potassium hydroxide. Okay. CO को कौन वो करता है? Pyrogallic acid. कौन करता है? हाँ जी बच्चा, कौन कंज्यूम करता है? एब्जॉर्ब कौन करता है इसको? यस गाइस, प्लीज टेल मी, कौन एब्जॉर्ब करता है? इट शुड बी, यस माय डियर, प्लीज टेल मी. इट इज नन अदर देन, हाँ जी बच्चा बोलो, क्या होगा? यस, आंसर आ रहे हैं बच्चों. यस, प्लीज टेल मी. ऑक्सीजन कौन एब्जॉर्ब करेगा? वेरी गुड, पायरोगैलिक. वेरी गुड. ऑक्सीजन कौन करेगा? पायरोगैलिक. राइट. कौन कर लेगा ऑक्सीजन? पायरोगैलिक एसिड. एंड इसको कौन करेगा? कॉपर क्लोराइड. कॉपर क्लोराइड. वेरी गुड. हियर वी गो. is used as refrigerant in vapor absorption refrigerator. VARS में कौन यूज होता है एज? दैट इज अमोनिया, एक्वा अमोनिया. एक्वा अमोनिया, राइट? यू नो दैट. एक्वा अमोनिया. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट डियर. आई होप यू गॉट इट. हियर वी गो. ओके, हियर वी गो. कॉपर क्लोराइड होगा. ओके, here that is used as refrigerant, aqua ammonia, everybody knows. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. The in radiation, heat transfer between infinitely long parallel plates, if higher emissivity, that is radiation shield, compared to the plates is used, then emissivity radiation shield क्या है? If higher emissivity क्या? shield की, that is higher, then heat transfer between the plate would be, my dear, क्या हो जाएगा? क्या होगा बच्चा? It should be very good. It should be increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. हाँ जी बच्चा, प्लीज टेल मी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 क्या होगा बच्चा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का आंसर प्लीज टेल मी. ब्यूटीफुल. It should be what? No. It should be what? Please tell me. Very good. It should be decrease. Avinash, very good dear. Avinash Manjuri, क्या होगा? Decrease होगा. You can just refer the formula. That is sigma E into T1 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus 1 upon emissivity of second minus 1. उससे compare करेंगे, you will come to know. Very good. Here we go. Decrease होगा. Here we go. What happens to the rating of diesel engine when temperature of intake air is increased? When the temperature of intake air has been increased, क्या होता है बच्चा? You should know कि cycle कैसी होती है. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So आपको क्या पता है? That is 1, 2 compression, 2, 3 is what my dear? Heat addition, 3, 4 expansion. Right? So you know that क्या होती है? That is if normal efficiency, that is what? Q2 divided by Q1. So ये Q2 क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? Yes, Q1. Q2 क्या हो जाएगा? Guys, please tell me. Heat rejected. अरे heat rejected क्या होगा? ये right now. That is what? 1 minus. It should be none other than my dear. क्या होगा ये? It is constant volume. That is what? CV and T4 minus T1 divided by CP into क्या होगा बच्चा? It should be T3 minus T2. Am I right? So here, if I decrease this now, the temperature of intake is increase. If it is increases, my dear, this ये अगर increase हुआ तो ये whole छोटी quantity क्या होगी? कम हो जाएगी. So the whole quantity will going to decrease. So 1 minus small quantity, you will get what my dear? Efficiency rise, right? So efficiency क्या होगी बच्चा? Increase क्या? What happens to the rating of diesel engine when the temperature क्या होगा? Increase parabolically, increase linearly और decrease parabolically. हाँ जी बच्चा, please tell me. अब बताना है linearly होगा कि parabolically होगा? You have to tell me. Guys, be fast. It should be what? Linearly increase होगा. As you increase this, it should be increased linearly. Very good. 8. I hope you got it. It's what? Increase linearly. Remember, here we go for next, my dear. The use of draft tube in a reaction type turbine helps to. क्या करती है? It converts what, my dear? Kinetic energy into pressure energy. Right now, it convert kinetic energy into pressure energy. Okay, I hope you got it. हाँ जी बच्चा. Yes or no? Very good. What about this question? 18th one. Please tell me. What about the 18th question? Very good. Convert kinetic energy into. Very good. Abhijit Bhattacharya, very good. Okay, I hope you got it. Rahul Uniyal, very good dear. Very good. The Krishna, very good. Here we go. KE to PR. A centrifugal pump running 200 RPM at its maximum efficiency is delivering head of 30 meter at the flow rate 60 liter per minute. Okay, the speed of pump is increased to 400 RPM. Then head H is in meters and flow rate Q in liters per minute at maximum efficiency. At maximum efficiency, my dear. See, centrifugal pump running at 200 RPM at its maximum efficiency is delivering head, okay, at a flow rate. If the speed of the pump, see, the pump is same. See, pump is same, right? So we have N1, how much? 200. This is what? N1, 200, right now. Yes or no, bacha? Yes. So you know that, my dear. क्या होता है? S2 upon H1 is equal to, my dear, क्या होगा? N2 upon N1 का square. If the dia is same, if you remember the formulas of model and prototype, from that you will get this. Yes or no? Yes, of course. So my dear, क्या होगा? S2 we have to find out, right? So S2, H1 is how much? 30 meter. N2 is what, my dear? 400 divided by 200 ka square, my dear. 2, that is 4. S2 will be what, my dear? 120. S2 कितना आ गया बच्चा? 120. Okay, and you know that what about discharge? Discharge क्या होता है? Q upon dq into n. अरे हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Of course it is. क्या हो जाएगा then? What will get? Wait. You know that Q upon d cube into n होता है, right? So what I'll get, I have to identify q2 upon q1. What it should be, my dear? D cube is same, so it should be what? That is what? N1 upon N2, right? Yes or no? So N1 upon N2 will be what, my dear? It should be what? 200 by 400 multiply by 60. How much you'll get, my dear? कितना आ रहा है? Guys, how much it is? So it is none other than what, my dear? We have to find out Q2, na? So N1 is what? 200. Sorry, it is N2. Right? It is N2, right? Hi, Anna Bacha. Yes. Very sorry. ये Q2 होगा तो it should be N2 and it should be N1. I'm very sorry. So ये क्या होगा बच्चा? It is 400 by 200 into 60. आंसर क्या आ रहा है? आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 120, 120. वो दोनों का 120 आ रहा है? दोनों का 120? Yes, it's correct. That is 120, 120. Number 2 is correct. Here we go for next. The criteria for thermodynamic efficiency of reciprocating and rotary compressors are. Which are the criteria? That is, हम criteria किसको मानते हैं? For rotary and reciprocating compressor. So first of all, we have to identify reciprocating. So we have already seen the criteria for reciprocating is what, my dear? Isothermal efficiency. What? Isothermal efficiency. If you assume the isothermal efficiency for rotary, then what will happen, my dear? Isothermal may, because there is lot of friction and there are moving parts in rotary. So there is what, my dear? There is generation of heat, and due to which the air which came after the compression having the high temperature. So my dear, what we try to do, यहाँ पे we are assuming adiabatic. We are taking adiabatic for rotary. Okay, so isothermal for reciprocation, and for rotary it is what? Adiabatic. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. Can we go for next? Here we go, my dear. Which term best represents the calorific value of gaseous fuel, my dear? कौन सी unit? Try to find out the unit. Unit, my dear. Unit. Yes. No, it's not one. One. Okay. Correct. What about this? 21. Very good, Rahul. What about 21? 21 का क्या होगा बच्चा? Please tell me. Very good. It should be kilocalorie per kg. Kilocalorie per kg is the right unit for calorific value. Okay. Here we go for next. In a wind turbine, measures the wind direction and guides the yaw drive to position to the rotor to the face wind is what, my dear? In a wind turbine, एक चीज होती है, that is blank space, measure wind direction and guides the yaw drive to position the rotor to face the wind. Yes, my dear. Can you tell me the part name of that? कौन सी चीज होती है वो? It is none other than, my dear. It is none other than what? Wind vane. Very good. Wind vane. Very good. 22. Tell me the answer of 22. Very good, Rahul. That is what, my dear? It is nothing but wind vane. It is wind vane. Very good. No, it's not anemometer. It is wind vane. Here we go for next. Okay. Can we go? Anemometer क्या करता है? Speed measure करता है बच्चा. Centrifugal pumps when arranged in parallel. जब पैरेलल में होते हैं, when the heat centrifugal pump are arranged in parallel, then it increase what, my dear? Q is not heat, it is discharge. It is what, my dear? Discharge for parallel. But my dear, when it is in series, then it is increase what? Head. Okay, very good. Discharge and head. Very good. Anemometer, I repeat that some people selected anemometer, so I want to tell you anemometer used to measure the speed. Okay, speed बताएगा वो. I hope you got it. Here we go, my dear. चलें? Okay. Try to understand the question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? इसमें से which one is incorrect? So work is high grade of energy, right? Work and heat are not equivalent form of energy. Yes, it's also correct. Heat is low grade of energy. Yes, it's also correct. So obvious सी बात है, fourth one will be incorrect. That is, heat is what? Heat is not a high grade of energy. Heat is what, my dear? Heat is low grade of energy. What? Low grade. Very good. Fourth. Very good, Rahul. Very good. 25 fourth. Very good. Here we go for next. Guys, do hit like, share, and subscribe to channel. 27. Is phenomena by which liquid rises into the glass tube above or below the general level? It's a very simple question, and we know that. It is what? Capillarity. What, my dear? Capillarity. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Very good. Very good. Yes, heat is low grade energy. Very good. 25 fourth. 25 fourth. 25. What about 27? 27. Capillarity. 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 Very good. Very good, Avinash. Milan Tiwari. Vikas Singh. Abhishek Singh. Guys, very good. Again, I repeat that, guys, those who are new, they have to do it, like, share, and subscribe the channel. And आपको बता दूं, UPPSC AE का class, UPPSC AE is at 11 a.m. daily. And we have Vizag question solving session daily 3 p.m. दोपहर में 3 बजे, सुबह 11 बजे. ठीक है. The isochloric process change in entropy is given by ds. ds क्या होता है बच्चा? That is none other than what, my dear? Cv ln of T2 by T1. T2 by T1. Right? Right ना? कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सर इसके आगे नहीं होता, इसके आगे भी होता है R ln. Actually the general formula is like this, but here they have mentioned what, my dear? Isochoric means what? Volume remains same. V1 is equal to V2. So V1 by V2 ln of 1 0. So ये क्या हो जाता है? गुजर जाता है पूरा. एक पूरा का पूरा क्या हो जाता है? गुजर जाता है. So that's why we just take CV ln T2 by T1 for isochoric. I hope you got it. So it should be number 1, right? I hope you got it. Here we go. 0. Very good, Anushka. Here we go, my dear. Reversible heat engine receives 240 kilojoule per second heat from a source at 627. Okay, and rejects heat to a sink 300 Kelvin. The available power. They have asked power. Okay, so my dear, what it should be? पहले efficiency निकालेंगे, and that efficiency will be 1 minus 627 plus 273. 900. हाँ जी, 900 and it is 300. It should be equal to what, my dear? W. Heat supplied, that is what? 240. क्या मिल जाएगा बच्चा? W मिल जाएगा यहाँ से. Yes or no? W will be what? Please tell me W's value. Please tell me the value of W. It is क्या होगा बच्चा ये? Value please. It is none other than कितना आएगा? 160. How much? It is 160. कितना आएगा? 160 किलोवाट. आया सबका? वेरी गुड. 160. नो अविनाश, इट शुड नॉट बी 80. इट शुड नॉट बी 80. 80 नहीं आएगा. रिमेंबर. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. गाइस, डू इट, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. 30. Bernoulli theorem applies to flow. Which flow, my dear? Which flow? It is incompressible, steady, non-viscous. All of them are correct. All of them are correct, right? Along with this, it is also applicable for streamline and irrotational flow. यहाँ पे that is it is also applicable for streamline and irrotational flow. Okay, I hope you got it, bachcha. Yes or no? Very good. Very good. Fourth. Very good, Avinash. Very good. Everybody is great. All of these. Very good. Here we go. A closed bottle filled with water 0 degrees centigrade is taken to the surface of moon. If the bottle is opened, the water will see वो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड है उसका टेम्परेचर, उसके अंदर जो वाटर है. सो आप जब मून पे जाओगे, यू नो मून में क्या, इट इज सराउंडेड बाय वैक्यूम ओनली, सो राइट, सो क्या होगा, द पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ वाटर वेपर विल बी इक्वल टू द सराउंडिंग, उसके बराबर हो जाएगा. सो क्या हो जाएगा, वो बॉइलिंग स्टार्ट कर देगा, इवन द टेम्परेचर इज एट 0, सो इट विल स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग, it will start boiling. I hope you got it. Abhishek Singh ji, that I'll suggest you should go for question reference, that is RK Jain is quite better question. RK Jain have quite better question, but don't refer the solution. 33. If HA is enthalpy of a dry air, HV is enthalpy of water vapor, then and W is specific humidity ratio, that is MV by MA, the enthalpy of moist air. You should know that enthalpy of moist air क्या होती है बच्चा, क्या होती है, of moist air is nothing but enthalpy of dry air plus omega into what my dear, HV, right? अरे हाँ या ना, yes or no guys, yes or no, yes or no, be fast. It should be HA plus omega HV, right? Yes or no? Bolo re baba. So it should be number 2. It should be number 2. Very good. Very good. Number 2. Yes or no? What about this? 2. What about this? Is it right? Yes. Vikas, Milan, everybody. Very good. It should be 2. क्या होगा? 2. Yeah, if for a liquid, here let me check, 33, we have solved 34. For liquid being pumped, pressure head at pump inlet. For liquid being pumped, pressure at pump inlet plus velocity head in the suction pipe minus vapor pressure. It is none other than, my dear, ये क्या है? It is NPSH. Yes or no? Net positive suction head. Right now? Yes or no, बच्चा? Yes. That is what, क्या होता है फॉर्मूला, that is none other than, my dear, P1 upon rho g minus what, PV upon rho g plus क्या होगा बच्चा, V square by twice g, that is velocity at suction divided by twice g. It is what, NPSH, net positive suction head. Remember, and you remember there is another thing, that is what, थोमा फैक्टर. इफ यू रिमेंबर थोमा फैक्टर, एक वो चीज भी आती है. ओके, हियर से इन अ choke flow through a nozzle means what, m is equal to 1 होता है, मैक नंबर 1, राइट. मैक नंबर क्या हो जाता है जब चोक फ्लो होता है, 1 हो जाता है. एंड माय डियर, डिस्चार्ज क्या होगा, डेफिनेटली चोक हो रहा है तो डेफिनेटली द मास फ्लो रेट इज मैक्सिमम, दैट इज डिस्चार्ज इज आल्सो मैक्सिमम, राइट. So definitely for sure, what discharge is maximum? Discharge is not 0. Velocity at throat supersonic? No, it is sonic. It is only sonic. Okay. And nozzle exit pressure क्या होगा? Less than होगा या तो critical pressure के बराबर होगा. Okay, that is number 4. That means 1 and 4 are correct. Nozzle question from nozzle. 1 and 4. Very good, Rahul. Here we go for next. The line joining the leading and trailing of airfoil is known as, airfoil ऐसे होता है. सो ये लीडिंग हो जाएगा, ये ट्रेलिंग हो जाएगा. इनको जो लाइन ज्वाइन करती है वो लाइन क्या कहलाती है? हाँ जी बच्चा, दैट लाइन, एक लाइन ऐसी होती है, यहां से होती है, और एक लाइन यहां से जा रही होती है नीचे से. सो ये जो नीचे वाली है, दैट इज इट जॉइंस द लीडिंग एंड ट्रेलिंग एज, दैट इज नथिंग बट, माय डियर, कॉर्ड लाइन. जो लीडिंग एज और उसको ज्वाइन करती है ट्रेलिंग एज को, दैट इज व्हाट, this line is, my dear, what, chord line. Which line? Chord line. And the line which joins the midpoints, that is nothing but what, my dear, that is what, that is camber line. That is camber line. वो क्या होती है बच्चा? Camber line, जो midpoints को join करती है. So here the answer will be number 2. But remember camber line as well. Camber line is a line which joins the midpoints, which joins the midpoints. I hope you got it. Very good. Very good. I hope you got it. Okay, so here we go, my dear. A measure of feeling warmth or coldness by human body in response to the air temperature, moisture content and air motion. called, my dear? उसको बोला जाता है ET. ET is nothing but what, my dear? Effective temperature. And it counts what? Velocity. It counts purity of air. It counts humidity of air. And one more thing. What, my dear? Temperature of air. So it should be number 2. Yes? हाँ जी बच्चा, number 2 होगा. Very good. Effective temperature. Effective temperature. Very good dear. Very good. Here we go for next. Can we go? चले आगे चलते. Now listen. Blow off cork in a boiler is used to. Blow off cork. So it is controlled to flow the steam from boiler to the main pipe and shut off the steam completely when required. No, it's not correct. Empty the boiler when required and to discharge mud, scale or sediments which are accumulated at the bottom of the boiler. Right, it's correct. Right, it's correct. Yes or no? Very good. Two. Very good. Very good, my dear. Very good. No, Rahul, it's not. It's not, Rahul. I'm telling to your question that is, it's not similar. Same nahi hai. Here we go. Here we go. Which one of the following is correct? इसमें से कौन सा correct है? In a gas turbine cycle with regeneration. So definitely regeneration क्या करता है बच्चा? Thermal efficiency को increase करता है. Yes or no? Guys, be fast. Give me the answer for it. क्या करता है? Pressure ratio बढ़ाता है. क्या करता है guys? Be fast यार. Be fast and be fast. हाँ जी बच्चा. It is none other than what, my dear? It increases thermal efficiency. Quality. Okay. Thank you so much. 3. That is what? Thermal efficiency increases. But sometimes people get confused in this, and they said if you are doing regeneration, so it is somehow like kind of reheating. So they said कि pressure drop होगा तो definitely enthalpy भी drop हो जाएगा. No, in this regeneration we are taking a exhaust state and we are recirculated for preheating purpose. So that's why the amount of heat which we are going to supply, that has been going to be reduced, and in this fashion, my dear, we improve the thermal efficiency. So that's why option number 3 is correct. Okay, I hope you got it. Here we go. Very good. We got it. No, reheating is a different thing. In reheating, the main purpose of reheating in a gas turbine, that is what? Gas turbine, or you can say, in steam thermal turbine, the main purpose behind reheating is to improve the quality of steam. That is what? Dryness fraction of steam we have to improve. Here we go. Which of the following devices control the refrigerant flow in a refrigeration system as per heat load on the evaporator? You know that after passing through the condenser, the refrigerant get converted into liquid state, and that liquid state, my dear, get expanded through what? Expansion valve, right? That's through expansion valve, and that should be none other than, my dear, option will be expansion valve, right? Very good. Number one, very good. Number 1, very good. Here we go. Some chlorinated fluorocarbon refrigerants may decompose into a toxic irritating gas under the which of the following? अगर खुला रख दोगे तो, right? Exposed to an open flame or hot surface, right? It's correct. It is 2, right? It is 2. Very good. Very good. Yes, that's what I said, Rahul. Exactly. Here we go. I hope you got it. Okay, that is what? 43, question number 43. Answer. 43. That is what, my dear? 2. Very good. Why we expands refrigerant on expansion valve? So it depends. See, we are using 2 expansion devices. One is capillary tube. Another, that is what? Throttling. I have to tell you. Sometimes people will get confused between what? Throttling and expansion. So I want to tell you, it is also expansion process, but it is highly irreversible. It is going to be highly irreversible, and this expansion may or may not be. Okay, I hope you got it. And when we are using gas refrigeration, we are going for isentropic expansion. And when we are going for VCRS, we are utilizing what, my dear? Isenthalpic. That means in VCRS, that is what, enthalpy remains constant. And when we come to the gas refrigeration or air refrigeration cycle, in that entropy remains constant. Okay. For complete combustion of 1 kg of a carbon, number of oxygen required will be. Now listen to me very carefully. This is C plus O2 is equal to what, my dear? CO2, right? Its weight is what, my dear? 12 gram. इसका कितना होगा बच्चा? 32. तो कितना required होगा? Required the complete combustion of 1 kg of a carbon. Okay, means per unit of a carbon, the required oxygen will be what, my dear? 32 by 12. कितना हो जाएगी बच्चा? 4 8 32, 4 3 12, 8 by 3 है ये देखो. Number 2, 8 by 3, very good. No, it's not 44. Okay, 3. Okay, Shiva, I got it. I thought कि आपने 44 मारा है. No, it should be 3. Very good. 3 is correct answer. Very good, dear. Guys, do hit like, share, subscribe the channel. I repeat, those who are new, उनके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. Here, now we'll go for next. 45. It's a very easy question, which denotes the path followed by diesel cycle on a PV diagram. इसमें से कौन सा है? You know that, my dear. It is what? ये वाला. ये क्या है बच्चा? ये हमारा डीजल, राइट? और ये यहां से यहां तक ये क्या हमारा? ऑटो. ये हमारा ये डुअल, राइट? सो इट शुड बी व्हाट? 12671, राइट? सो आंसर क्या होगा बच्चा? 3. वेरी गुड. 3 सब मार देंगे, आई नो दैट. 45. वेरी गुड. 2 3. फोन थोड़े बड़े लगाएं. अच्छा, फोन नहीं दिख रहा है आपको? ओके आई सो. तो जब नहीं दिख, सी क्या होता है ना कि जब हम लिखते हैं ना, फुल स्क्रीन जो लिखने की जगह है ना वो छूट जाएगी, इसलिए ना थोड़ा सा डायग्राम को छोटा बनाया जाता है. ओके, डायग्राम को थोड़ा सा छोटा बनाया जाता है. ओके, बट स्टिल आई विल शो यू, डोंट वरी, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूं. नाउ आई होप इट्स विजिबल टू यू. अभी देखो विजिबल है. यस, आंसर तो सबने करेक्ट कर दिया. लेट्स सी इट. यस, डुअल साइकिल, डीजल साइकिल, इसको देख भी लो आप लोग. ओके, सो गाइस, हियर वी आर गोइंग फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. 12671, राइट? अभी हम इसको छोटा कर देंगे. ओके, so it should be right. Here we go for next. Okay, match the items in list 1 to the corresponding psychometric process. Okay, so we know that, my dear, in summer में क्या होता है? Summer में we require cooling and we want what? Because in the summer air have lot of moisture, so we want to remove it, right? So that will be what? That will be dehumidification. So my dear, P का क्या हो जाएगा? Cooling and dehumidification. Number 2 is correct. Now we'll check number 2. So number 2 दो में है, so that means third, 1 and 4th will not be answered, right? Air flowing over silica J. Some people don't know about this. Okay, just leave it. Cooling tower में क्या होता है बच्चा? कूलिंग टावर में क्या होता है? हाँ जी बच्चा, कूलिंग टावर में क्या होता है? दैट इज नथिंग बट एडियाबैटिक इवापोरेटिव कूलिंग होती है, राइट? सो इट शुड बी 3. सो देखें 2 and 3 कहां पे? 2 यहां पे है. ओके, 2 यहां पे भी है. 3 किसमें आर का? ओनली 3 में. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? 3. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 3, राइट? ओके, एंड कूलिंग एंड ह्यूमिडिफिकेशन, हीटिंग एंड ह्यूमिडिफिकेशन नथिंग बट फॉर विंटर एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम, विंटर एसी, राइट? Of course, you got it. Very good. Here we go for next. Evaporation. Here we go for next. See, HP upon TR. HP means what? Horsepower. Horsepower मतलब what? घोड़े के जैसा दौड़े, वो power. Ton of refrigeration. TR means what? HP means horsepower, TR means ton of refrigeration system is. My dear, very good question. थोड़ा सा ट्रैक किया इस क्वेश्चन को, nothing more than that. See, you know that COP is what, my dear? COP is refrigeration effect divided by work you require, that is what? Power. So obviously बात है, refrigeration effect is nothing but it should be in ton of refrigeration. That is RE means what? RC into M. RE into M, that is what? RC. Refrigeration capacity, you know that. So that is what? TR. ये किसमें होगा? हॉर्स पावर में. हॉर्स पावर मतलब what? घोड़े जैसी पावर, right? Okay, that is what, my dear? Wait, that is घोड़े जैसी पावर. Okay, that is TR upon. So definitely it is COP. But they have asked HP upon TR. So HP upon TR will be what, my dear? 1 upon COP. So क्या होगा? Inversely proportional होगा. So see, HP upon TR is directly proportional to the COP, inversely proportional to the COP, right? Number 2 is correct. Number 2 is correct. Number two. Anushka, it's not 3, dear. Anushka, it's not 3. Abhit, very good. Shiva, very good. Avinash, everybody is correct. Okay, here we go. चलें आगे. Here we go, my dear, for next question. In a one-dimensional flow field, a pipe, the fluid velocity is given by fluid velocity, that is U is equal to x plus twice t. Okay, t is the time. The flow in the pipe will be what, my dear? Flow in the pipe will be what? See, steady कब बोलेंगे? The flow should be steady when the properties does not change or velocity does not change with respective time. But here it is time, right? So I can say by this equation, I can say U is a function of what? Space x and time t. So it depends on time. So it should be what, my dear? It should be unsteady. First thing we discover. When it comes to uniform and non-uniform, that means what? When the properties at different points are same, we can say that is nothing but that flow is what, my dear? Uniform flow. But you can see it is a point x, so the value of x will going to vary for a different space. That means this velocity will going to vary in a different space. So that means what? It is non-uniform. It is the question based on the definition of unsteady state, steady state, and non-uniform. So what it should be, my dear? Unsteady and non-uniform. Had you got it? Very good. Very good, Rahul. Very good. Here we go. That is unsteady, non-uniform. Very good. Everybody is correct. Okay. Here we go for next. The center of gravity of the volume of the liquid displaced by an immersed body is called, my dears. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The center of gravity of the volume of the liquid displaced by an immersed body is called as what, my dear? Center of pressure नहीं है बेटा, pressure नहीं है, center of buoyancy. Very good. What it should be? It should be what, my dear? Center of buoyancy. Meta center नहीं होगा, Sam. It should not be meta center. It should be what? It should be, yes, very good. It should be center of buoyancy. Very good. It should be center of buoyancy. Number 3. Very good. Everybody is correct. Kaushal, everybody. Sam, Shiva, everybody is correct. So here we go for next. चले आगे बच्चा. उछाल का केंद्र. सही बोले. Metals are good conductor of heat because my dear, because they have free electron. क्या होता है उनमें? Free electron होता है. क्या होता है बच्चा? Free electron. क्या होता है? Free electron. क्या होता है? Free electron. Here I want to tell you one more thing. That is, guys, we are doing, those who are new, they can do it, like, share, subscribe the channel. And I want to tell you that we are live daily for UPPSC AE at, my dear, in morning, that is what, 11 a.m. And my dear, for Vizag, we are doing session like question solving session as same as that of what, UPPSC AE, my dear, at 3 p.m. daily. Okay, So guys, one more thing that I want to tell you, key textbook has bring something for you. That is none other than what the deal of the year is going on right now. You are getting the Testbook Pass just for rupees 299 with the validity of 14 months. So get benefited of this opportunity, my dear. Okay. And there is a mega price drop in what, my dear? Mission Gate 2021 booster batch, and you are getting just it for rupees 3,999. That means what? Almost 4,000 rupees. Okay. And we have already launched SSC JE Mechanical live coaching as well, right? It is going on, so you can explore the preview or demo classes of it in the website as well as in the app. And supposed to be, if you are interested in it or you have any kind of a query regarding this coachings of GATE, or we can say that SSC JE Mechanical, my dear, you can just fill the form which is given in the description of this video. You will get a call free of cost. Okay. And whatever the query you have, that will get sorted. Don't worry about it. Okay. So guys, here we done. Here we have done what, my dear? 50 questions. So yes, so we are going to meet at 3 p.m. now. Okay. 3 p.m. Okay. Yes, it is free electron. It is free electron. I agree. It is free electron. Okay. Yes. Okay. So guys, now I want to tell you, here we'll stop. We are going to continue this remaining 50 question in the next session, that is tomorrow. And one more thing that I want to tell you, 24th ka, okay, PDF, sir, PDF with answer please. Okay, Krishnamurthy said, okay, 24th question, let me check. 24th, huh? Wait. Okay. 24th. Yes, this one. Anji. Yes. Yes. लगा दिया है, थोड़ा सा वो है. IES का भी क्वेश्चन लीजिए. ओके, शिवा सिंह जी, डेफिनेटली टू यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच. अभित, क्या क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गए हैं? नहीं, क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं हुए हैं बेटा, टाइम खत्म हो गया. राहुल जी, टाइम खत्म हो गया. कल हमने 2 घंटे का सेशन किया, 400 क्वेश्चन, एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू गेट, ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट, ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट, दैट इज, क्या मिल गया सबको? PDF फाइल्स. सैम बेटा बुक पढ़ो थोड़ा सा, तुम विल कम टू नो. हाँ, डेफिनेटली शिवा सिंह जी, डेफिनेटली करवाएंगे, डोंट वरी. आंसर नॉट मार्क. ओके, अच्छा, आंसर नहीं मार्क किया था, सॉरी. अरे बेटा, पैरेलल में है तो लिख तो दिया था यहाँ डिस्चार्ज बढ़ेगा, तो कहाँ है डिस्चार्ज? इंक्रीज द डिस्चार्ज ओनली, नंबर 1. यहाँ लिखा तो था पैरेलल में रहेगा तो क्यू इंक्रीजमेंट इज व्हाट? डिस्चार्ज इंक्रीज. सीरीज में रहेगा तो हेड इंक्रीज. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट. यस, ओके, आई हैव मार्क राहुल जी, मार्क कर दिया है. हाँ, नेक्स्ट सेशन में जरूर मिलेंगे. वाइजैक सेशन में आई कांट टेल, जस्ट कम एंड वॉच कि कितने क्वेश्चन है. ओके, Krishnamurthy, I will not disclose that how many question will be in the Vizag. You come and join and see and enjoy. Okay, Krishna, I hope you got it. So guys, this is from my side. Yes. Anything else? And remember one thing, very soon I will come with the strategy for non-tech. Non-tech के लिए भी strategy लेकर आऊंगा. Believe me, and that will work definitely, because that non-tech strategy work in SSC JE, that has already work in NLC, और वो वाइजैक में भी काम करेगी, UPPSC में भी काम करेगी. Don't worry. Krishnamurthy said, sir, the next section PDF with tick the answer. Okay, Krishnamurthy, you know why we not tick the answer? The motto behind that, when you download it, so you are able to do a practice of it, right? So that's why we not mark. because maximum people suggest us, sir, please don't mark answer on that slide we are providing. Definitely सबके लिए करेंगे, don't worry. I already planned for MSQ series जो multiple select questions होते हैं, right ना, multiple options होते हैं, उस पे एक series already session plan किया है for whole thermal engineering science. वो एक plan किया हुआ है, that we will do, and we'll also do the mock test for the gate as well. Okay guys, yes, anybody have any kind of questions? Definitely 13th के बाद ही जाएंगे, why you are worried? Okay, so guys, take care. Bye bye. Shabba khair. We'll see you in the next session at 3 p.m. for Vizag. Don't forget to attend the session on Vizag. And those who will miss, they will miss a lot of things. I repeat once again. So guys, take care of yourself. And one more thing that I want to tell you, if you are new in this channel, please do it, like, share, and subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for your presence and maintaining such a kind of decorum of the class. Okay. So guys, thank you. And जाने से पहले I want to say, please stay at home, stay safe, stay online with the testbook.com.